You can see the clouds coming down. Tell Naisha we're actually looking at it right now. It's coming down. Look at it, Robert.
Actually looking at the tornado actually formed. The clouds are spinning and it's creating a
It's
tunnel.
turned into a funnel.
No, we're not going to die.
Oh my gosh, I can't even believe that I'm seeing this.
You know what? If we are going to die, Naisha, then find your way over here so we can do the last time.
I hope I have enough film. I don't know if it's gonna actually drop. It looks like it's about to drop. You see it, Robert? It's dropping. Oh crap.
I love you too, Naisha. Who was calling me?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that I'm seeing this. Look, it's down, it's down. It's down.
I can't see.
Look over the balcony. You see? Don't fall. You see it? We might have to go, let's go across the street.